Subscribe to the channel, please comment below, and don't forget to share this video.
Number 10.
WAZER works by combining abrasive particles with a high-pressure water stream. The mixture exits the nozzle and cuts through the workpiece.
It's great for any workshop. It cuts every material, it's compact and contained, and it's digital, so you can make precise cuts that are impossible to make any other way.
I think, people tend to have their ideas constrained by their tools and the things they're capable of working with. And having a Waterjet cutter, which has the ability to cut a broader range of materials, hard materials like steel and glass, will be enabling and make them think in different ways and have them build different things they couldn't build before.
Number 9.
This is Vaquform, the world's first digital desktop vacuum former. Now everyone can shape and form plastic like a seasoned pro, with Vaquform's smart, efficient, and easy-to-use features, such as the exclusively designed high-performance hybrid vacuum system that delivers extremely detailed shapes and parts, a computer-controlled heater and thermal probe that monitors a plastic's temperature in real time. With a Vaquform, you get a compact professional-grade vacuum former without a hefty price tag.
Number 8. Number 7.
In 3D printers automation, the biggest obstacle was frequent failures in printing out. 70% of failures in printing is caused from unstable settlement of the first layer. So in order to solve this issue, we created SL probe sensors, and mesh leveling technique utilized from this sensor enables the perfect printout on the first layer by sensing the smallest curves of the bed. OpenCreator's core is on unmanned automation. ABC module enables to print out limitlessly, even in those times when there is no man to work around by automatically changing a build plate that are done used for printout by itself. So there is no need for a man to change a build plate or to remove the printed objects for next printing. On 3D figures, either it was impossible to print out without the soluble support, or we had to split the models into many pieces to print out. However, in order to utilize the soluble support in 3D printing, accordingly, it requires quite complicated mechanisms than you might have thought of.
Number 6.
Dobot M1 is an industrial-level robotic arm production platform. It's precise, fast, and extendable, and also affordable. It can be your 3D printer, laser engraver, soldering machine, or whatever else you build upon it. Yes, you can build one. Dobot M1 has 0.02 millimeters repeatability and 1.5 kilogram payload. With these standardized, easy-to-change heads, you can easily turn this power into productivity. like 3D printing. It can print your product with fluency and details. 2 colors? No problem. Or use laser to engrave your unfading masterpiece. Or do sophisticated soldering, customizing your PCB circuit board better than a pro. Besides being multifunctional, Dobot M1 is also easy to master and develop. Dobot M1 supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection. You can connect to multiple arms at once and control them via our app on PC or smartphone. With a force-sensitive 3D mouse, you can control Dobot M1 as precisely as you want. No more trying and guessing on a confusing software. With its handhold teaching feature, you can input coordinates in the fastest and most intuitive way. Dobot M1 is programmable via the integrated APIs. You can use official or self-built developing environment, or use this visualized programming interface, making things a lot easier. But we don't stop here. Dobot M1 is highly extendable. There are no limits to your imagination on it. The maximum reach of Dobot M1 is 400 millimeters.
Number 5.
Goliath is a CNC portable robot that moves autonomously and can be placed directly on your work surface. Goliath flexibility makes it much more affordable than a work center, both for carpentries and shared workspaces such as fab labs, schools, and universities.
La cosa vantaggiosa è il fatto di poter fare tutto in casa.
Number 4.
Maslow is a 4x8-foot CNC cutting machine designed to change the way we build everything, from art projects to houses. And it's cheap. You can get one now for under $500.
Maslow lets you print the things you can find around you that are made from wood. This could be anything from furniture to the world's coolest treehouse to rebuilding after a natural disaster.
We wanted to create a game-changing tool, which allows people from around the world to digitally collaborate to make amazing things. We wanted to create a tool which was cheap, easy to use, inclusive, and powerful. Basically, we want to help you build cool stuff. To make that possible, we knew we had to make a machine which worked with materials in their native 4x8 form without taking up your entire garage or workshop.
It needed to be affordable, both to purchase and to ship.
It had to be easy to assemble, with no soldering, no programming, and no fancy tools.
It needed to be just as accurate as a person using power tools, even when cutting complex shapes.
Our solution? Maslow.
Maslow uses gear-reduced DC motors with encoders and a closed-loop feedback system to achieve high accuracy and high torque. More details for nerds can be found below.
Number 3.
Meet Kniterate, a desktop digital knitting machine. Now you can create your own garments and accessories, and you can share them online in a digital wardrobe. It's easy to use. You can start a design from scratch using our web design app, or simply load an existing design from the online library. Choose the color and material to suit you and press Knit. Just make a few finishing touches and your design is ready to wear. The process of making a garment has never been so easy. Kniterate helps you be more efficient and iterate faster than ever. You can use our standard size templates or modify them to your needs to get to the final design. You can use your own yarn or choose from our great selection of tried and tested yarns like wool, cotton, acrylic, or silk in plenty of different colors. We'll provide you with the right parameters for each of our yarns, which will allow you to cut time on sampling and focus on the fun parts, designing and wearing garments.
Number 2.
I have the ability to print on just about anything. In fact, if it can be printed on, I'm the one to do it. I can do all of this because I don't have a feeder. Instead, I'm a free access printer, which means I don't care how thick, heavy, or high what you want me to print on is. Just put me on top of what you want me to print on, choose the file you want to print from your preferred device, and hit print. I do the rest of it. Because I use a patented retractable tread system, I stay accurate and aligned throughout any print job. So, whether you're printing a cutout for a pattern, a poster like no other, or some shirts for any upcoming crowdfunding video, I'm the last printer you will ever need.
Number 1.
Stepcraft is the next generation of desktop creative tools. It will inspire you by allowing you to go from idea to reality in just minutes. We all have great ideas, and bringing them to life is now possible for everyone. Stepcraft is different because it can transform from one CNC machine into another in seconds.
Creating things has never been easier. To show you, we've broken it down into 3 easy steps. First, design your project. Now we know that no one likes learning difficult software, so we made Stepcraft work seamlessly with top-rated programs that you already know and love. It doesn't matter if you're using CAD software or programs like Inkscape or CorelDRAW. Stepcraft is universal. Second, choose your material and tool. With over 7 completely different interchangeable tools available, you'll never run out of possibilities, and the machine will never become obsolete. Click Start, and the machine will make it for you. It's never been easier to go from idea to finished product, and no tool gives you more options or capabilities. You can use the 3D printhead for rapid prototyping or to make thousands of useful projects that you can use every day.
Thanks for watching. Please comment below which one do you like best. Let me know what you're thinking. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.